Okay, and hello and welcome to the International School of Traders. My name is Ngobom Tiane. Guys, it's the 6th of April, 2021. I'm going to go quickly into the news that you're looking at today and see what the market has for us today. I'm going to give you updates and a couple of signals that we are looking at. So, today, the main thing that we need to look at, obviously, we've had the unemployment rate for the month of February in Europe. Now, we want to see the job openings at 1600 hours. That is 4 o'clock in South African time. If those numbers are good, and then we'll trade accordingly. But please do remember, if you're an International School of Traders student, to use cheat codes at that time when we start trading some of the most important items. So let's look at gold. Gold is one of the items that we've been looking at and we've been trading for a while now, right? XAUSD, yesterday we called out a buy on the group, and then and I did mention on the previous video that we are waiting for markets to break out and retest, and market has done that. And then we took a buy from these levels and pushed all the way up. So if you haven't closed this position and you're still holding this position, please do close with profits and enjoy your money. What are we looking at now? Now we're looking again at a small time frame to see if market is still gonna continue trending towards the top side. We've had a beautiful support here in the past, beautiful support, beautiful support, beautiful support. But there can be an exception in this particular case where market comes down to these support zones once again, which is 1721 in this particular case right here. That can happen. That can be an exception. And if market does that, we need to look at it very closely in this particular case right here. There's many things that can happen, but we are still overall bullish in this market. I will be personally looking to buy at these market lows, and at this moment in time, what you can do also is to do what is to take a buy position from where we are and buy towards the top. So let me just quickly buy this one. Quickly buy this guy right here, and then my stop loss in this particular case will be at 1727.15. My take profit in this particular case will be at um, 1738 71.71. So that is my take profit in this particular case. That is day trading. I am looking to hold this until that previous high in this particular, just in case this market fails to close and close and stay below this market structure right here. But there is an exception. Market can still push all the way down. Let's look at a couple of items. I do have GBP in place here. Guys, GBP has made a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wedge here. It's a beautiful wedge. This was a bearish market that has been broken. And then now we are looking to buy in this particular market right here. We are looking to buy in this particular market. So I will be sharing with you on what level is that, but the pure or the level, the ultimate level would really like to take in this particular case is 1.37924. 1.37924. That one you can put a buy limit on it. Put a buy limit. A buy limit is a pending order, so you select pending order, and then meaning that that is the trade that you are willing to take when markets get into those levels. So it's a buy limit order at 1.37 um, uh, 924 924. I'm gonna make this one in terms of stop loss. I'm gonna make it 1.37 um 1.37 600 600, and then my take profit is obviously going to be the previous high at 1.39122, 1.39122, 1.39 1.39122. That is 1.39122. Yeah, and then boom, placed. That is how I'm looking at this market here. This is a solid support that we're looking at. Market is expected to rally all the way down, bounce on those levels, and then continue going all the way up in this particular case right here. Okay, cool. And then there is USD ZAR. Guys, USD ZAR is on a beautiful formation. It's on a ranging market here. It's been months now, since December. This market has been bouncing on these levels, and 14 uh, 52, between 14 rands 52 and 14 rands 40 is a psychological level for the rand. So in this particular case right here, I want to take a buy position because we are in a ranging market. And remember, in a ranging market, what we want to do, we want to buy low and sell high. So in this particular case, I want to take a buy position. My stop loss will be very, very, very close on this one. So I'm going to take a buy position on USD ZAR, and then my stop loss will be a little bit low, which will be 1449.044. And then my take profit in this particular case is obviously the previous high, which is 1509 15.09411 in this particular case right here, right? So that is my take profit objection, or kind of, yeah, you can put it that way. But in this particular case, if markets do break towards the low, towards the bottom side, we are going to be looking to close this particular trade or setup in this particular case. Obviously, I took it on a 1 hour time frame, meaning a 15-minute time frame can also show me some different things right there. Okay, cool, but nothing to worry about that much. Let's look at USD CAD, right? USD CAD has been in a beautiful formation for quite a while. We explained in a couple of days ago on previous videos what we're thinking on USD CAD. In this particular case right here on USD CAD, what I'm thinking, what I'm looking at is that we want to take a sell order whenever markets reach the 61.8, at least in this particular case 61.8, or something of this nature, something of this nature, which will force us to be to wait for the what, the 78.6 in this particular case right here. So so that is what I'm thinking. I'm still gonna be looking at this market very closely, monitoring, but the 61.8 looks very good for a sell order. Look out for that one. Euro JPY took us out on a stop loss yesterday or this morning, but no worries that much. Our risk was calculated. Everything is good. We are cool. I'll be giving out another signal on this one if market do tend to turn around. And then there is more. Do we have more? Let me discuss Nasdaq very quickly. Hey guys, for those of you who are International School of Traders students and you were with me during the time when I was releasing some cheat codes on Nasdaq, please at that particular time just trade Nasdaq with me. So let me explain through price action, right? Through price action, I'm expecting market at least let me show you something here. There is a level here which market is bouncing at. Market has broken and stayed above this level now overnight, throughout the night. So there can be an exception where markets push further down, but this one right here looks good for a buy order in this particular case right here. So on a 1 hour time frame, if you go to a 1 hour time frame, you will go quickly and buy this market at. And I remember Manasseh in the group, you spotted a beautiful sell in the early hours of morning. That was a beautiful sell right there. But now if market fails to close below these levels, which is 1 point no, which is 13,000 529. We are going to see these markets. Oh, beautiful. These markets moving all the way up right there. So I'm already seeing some confirmations for a buy. So if you're seeing this right now, please be sure that we are going to be looking for a buy position, go moving forward. So this is going to be a beautiful scalp throughout the day right there. So let me just quickly go and take that scalp. Uh, it's a buy, and my stop loss is a little bit further low. My take profit is at the previous high. Okay, cool. Um, Cool. So that is what busy happening on Nasdaq. Anything can happen, but I am expecting markets to start pushing further up and up and up and up. That is what's busy happening right there. Okay, cool stuff. Guys, we are trading throughout the day. We are back with the bang. We are trading beautifully and nicely. Be with us and see you on the other side of the withdrawals. Check out the description for our free Telegram channel and check out our website and trade with us on a daily basis in the market. So see you on the other side of the withdrawals. It's your one and only Ngubeka Mtiane. Shalom. Yeah. Okay, cool stuff. I see yes, desire is the most negative one, but I'll be monitoring and sending out updates on the group. Shalom.